Submit your case online to us 24/7. You can call me, you can email me, and now you can also text me.
Breaking news with CJ Rosenbaum.
Breaking news, late shipments are sinking Amazon accounts. So late shipments are one of those things that harm the consumer experience. And if we know anything about Amazon, Amazon is consumer-centric. So what can you possibly do? If you are fulfilled by merchant, extend the shipping time. You want to under-promise and over-deliver. Now, let's say it's too late. Let's say your account is suspended. Let's say your best ASIN is down or another product that you're making good money on because of late shipments. This is something you might want to argue in a well-written, concise, persuasive plan of action. That going forward, you're going to extend the shipment time so that you make sure that Amazon's consumers are under-promised and over-delivered. That you not only increase your customers' experience, but Amazon's consumers will be able to rest assured knowing that their product is going to arrive earlier than promised rather than later than promised. You want to learn more about ODR rates, late shipments, tracking issues, inauthentics, the bane of every seller's existence, the awful suspension. Go to AmazonSellersLawyer.com, go to our blog and put in any one of these search terms and you will find just boatloads and boatloads of free information, and we continue to share with you through these videos that are edited by our insanely awesome video editing team, Joseph, Kent, Kayla, and Kimmy. And I can't thank you guys enough for continuing to make these videos interesting so we can deliver the information to Amazon sellers. And if you want to speak with me one-on-one, just get me on the phone or submit your case online, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.